Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to find and use a QR code on Slack. Let's dive into the world of Slack and explore how QR codes can simplify the process of inviting team members to your workspace. Imagine being able to effortlessly generate a QR code that acts as a virtual key to your Slack workspace. This can make the task of inviting new members not just quick, but also incredibly convenient. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to create and use a QR code for Slack like a pro. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your Slack homepage. This is your central hub where all your Slack activities begin. On this page, you will notice a search bar at the top. This feature is particularly useful for locating the specific workspace you want to manage, especially if you are part of multiple workspaces. Go ahead and type in the name of the workspace that you would like to access. This is a crucial step as it ensures you are working within the correct environment. Once you've identified and selected the right workspace, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Look for a drop-down menu, which holds the key to many features you can explore. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Sign In on Mobile. Slack offers this feature to streamline the process of accessing your workspace on a range of devices, making it incredibly convenient. Click on the Sign into your workspace on mobile option. Doing this will bring up specific instructions on your screen. These instructions will guide you through the steps necessary to get your Slack workspace up and running on mobile devices. Pay close attention here, as within these directions, there is an invitation option you'll want to select to proceed. Now, as you move forward, you'll enter the Invite People menu. Here you will see an option that says Copy Invite Link. This is a pivotal moment, because the link you copy here is what you will use to generate your QR code. Make sure to copy this link carefully to prevent any errors. Precision is key. Next, open a web browser and head to a QR code generator website. Paste the Slack invite link you previously copied into the designated field on the QR code generator site. These sites are generally designed to be user-friendly, providing options to customize your QR code's appearance. You have the freedom to choose from various styles and designs, which is particularly useful if you want the QR code to align with your brand or add a personal touch. After selecting a style that fits your needs, proceed to the Download section. Click on Download JPG to save your new customized QR code to your device. With this QR code saved, you now have a versatile tool to invite people to your Slack workspace seamlessly and efficiently. Return to your Slack application. If you need to invite someone specific using this QR code, you can type in their email address. This step ensures that the invite link to the QR code is directly associated with the intended individual's contact information, making the process even smoother and more efficient. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you now have a practical QR code that enables easy access to your Slack workspace. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to find and use QR code on Slack. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.